Hey, what it do, man? It's your boy. I don't even got a name on YouTube yet. Santiago Dunbar, you dig? Coming at y'all with a little firework stash, you heard me? So, this really ain't not too much, you know what I'm saying? We were trying to let it grow. We've been building this since about like right after fault. Let's see. We got, I don't know how many boxes this is. This Sky Thunder. Yeah, it ain't really the truth though. But look, I'll show y'all a little something. Yeah, I don't know. I know y'all can't see that, but behind that bitch is say Caliber. Excaliburs, baby. Yeah, so what else we got? We got the little, yeah with the yabs, Roman candles. And we got the little bitty rockets. You know what I'm saying? You know, we got the classics, DOT. I don't know where the fucking shit at, but you know, I be hearing about it. Let's see. We got these machine guns. Yeah, they lit. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 of these 12 packs. I got another case of them unopened somewhere. I don't know. So we got these sky bombs and legend small festival balls. Let's see. That's some of the little baby stuff we got. We got down here. That's more Roman candles, machine guns. Are you kidding me? Roman candles. The skylighters, A-shot, you know, clown boys. Y'all know what them is. Huh? Y'all see that? Yeah. Y'all know about that? Well, y'all thought, oh look, we got more of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more of these. X Thunder, X Calibers. I only got one of them. Let's see. What y'all know about that right there? What y'all know about that right there, huh? It's that New Orleans shit. Let's see how we coming. That ain't it. You gripped, what? Oh. Cases on cases. You know what I'm saying? You gripped with them. Cases of them. Cases of them. Cases of them. Them ones that ain't got no numbers on them. You know what I'm saying? Cases of them. Cases of them. Let's see. What else we got down there? Yeah, there's more desert at night. Desert at night. I think that's a Rooster Rules. Death shells right there. I got like 5 cases of death shells. That's zombies. That's dogs. What we got over here? No, that's Rooster Rules. I don't know what that is. 2. Oh, that might be the 3rd rooster. I don't even know what. Who knows what this could be? You know what I'm saying? We got that thing with the big old willows. We got that shit right there on my Tom Cruise. Deuce. Oh, we got the fucking pigs. You know. What them niggas doing? What we got right here? Living high off that hog. Mad entirely. Unbelievable. Contagiousness. You know, cock rules. You dig? Let's see, we got that Corona. Willows. 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 pulling out over here. Hey, look, this that real right here. Y'all ever see this? Get this. This the one. I'm telling you, bro. You don't fuck around and get this one. You don't know what you're missing, you hear me? But yeah, we grip with them too. I think I got more of them bitches lingering around, you hear me? Let's see, we got, y'all know about them brown wraps. We got the aliens. Got that crime. Stone Cold. You know, y'all see anything with that on it, it's gonna be official. It ain't gonna be no OL, but it's gonna be official. We got, you know, we got that, you know. Y'all know who that's by. Anything with that. You dig? Y'all know we got all them salutes. Just salutes on salutes on salutes. Look, we all grip with the salutes. That's salute cake, that's salute cake, that's salute cake. That's a salute cake. We got down there. Y'all know what it is. Look. We got them couple cases of Defenders. Buck Fever. We got the OGs. They ain't never coming back. This ain't never coming back. This is the ones that's all salute. They all come in full color, 2 bang. This all bang. Old schools, years ago, ain't never coming back. Y'all know what that is a Minion Wars. That's them officials. You know that Candy Crush, Jose. Ooh, we got another classic. That Ride for the Brand. We got that Joe Exotic, 100 Shine. Buku up there. That's over 2 cases up there, 24-pack cases. They all stacked to the back though, you know what I'm saying? Let's see. What else we got? Cases. These bangers right here, boy. You ever find them? Get them. You ever find them? Gets them. Got the smileys. You dig? Let's see. Y'all know what that is. Hold up. Ooh, that 1-1, boy. Y'all see them fire official shoes? Yeah. We out here, boy. Let's see. We got that Doc Johnson over there in the corner. Come over here. Doc Johnsons. You see, y'all know what that is. Y'all see that logo? Ooh, look at that bitch. That's the biggest one. It ain't got no cakes bigger than that. That's the biggest cake on the market, bro. Biggest one. That's like 2 ice chests put together. They told me I had to get that bitch. I got that one. And you know that. Y'all already know what that's about. Y'all don't need to know about that. Y'all don't need to know about that. But y'all see that right there, huh? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Let's see. Just regular plain old shit now. That's really it. Yeah, I'm gonna go a little more in depth next time. Show y'all what it really is. Pop into some cases or whatnot. Alright, y'all.